Wait. Don't click away. I might be in the bathroom right now, okay? It happens. But I'm here because this room has potential and all it needs, it's a little bit of art. Since we have our lovely intro out of the way, the premise of this video is to show you why bathroom wall art is so popular, why it's a great niche to sell, and how to use AI in order to create wall art with toilet humor in it. And let me show you something. This is a marketplace insight. So it's a tool built inside Etsy seller platform, which some people have access to. I'm lucky enough to have access to that data, which is the most accurate data you can get, okay? Because it comes directly from Etsy. And wall art, it's a massive keyword that people are looking every month, okay? We got over 306,000 monthly searches for the wall art. Check this out. If we scroll down, Etsy is gonna give us similar terms that are getting a lot of traction. And bathroom wall art is getting 57,000 monthly searches. And it's the third most searchable keyword related to the word wall art. And if you click on it, we can see that the bathroom wall art is on the rise. It's a strong uptrend because for some reason popularity is just growing. Another great thing about this category is that you can sell it as a digital product or as a physical product. So here's an example of wall art digital design. So someone's just selling a picture of these two having their nose closed because they just can't stand the stinky poop that someone did in the bathroom, okay? But here on the other hand, we have a bathroom wall art that is a print-on-demand product. So someone designed this picture and is selling it as a canvas, a picture. And Printify is usually a website that people use to fulfill these orders. It's a print-on-demand service that has tons of products and also tons of wall art related boards. So there are pros and cons to both ways of selling these products. For example, if you sell digital designs of wall art, you're probably gonna have less customer service issues. And the only thing that you worry about is coming up with a cool design and selling it. However, profits might be smaller because you're gonna sell these pictures for like $3 to $6 per piece. But this can be more passive because again, you're not gonna have a lot of issues with the orders. And when it comes to print on demand method, the margin's gonna be higher, but since you are shipping stuff, you will have to handle logistics and occasional issues with delayed shipping or maybe lost package or anything like that. So choose wisely, my friend. Also, there is a dark side to selling wall art, and this is something coming from my experience. And that is, it's extremely hard to sell wall art. I tried opening wall art stores multiple times, and every time I open one, I usually don't have much luck. Usually I tried opening print-on-demand shops with wall art in it, and it just didn't work out. And this is why this bathroom wall art, in my opinion, is a great opportunity, because that's something that I found out recently. I didn't know about bathroom wall art up until a couple months ago. And even then, it wasn't that popular as it is now. It seems like it's just growing in popularity. And with that, I think picking up a specific niche of wall art might be easier to make sales, because since you're trying to sell general wall art, like the painting of a landscape or something, it's so generic, everyone is doing it, you're not gonna have success. This right here is funny. And I think that's what's selling very well. It's humor. People are laughing at this. And look at this. This is a bestseller, has 20 add to carts. And if I click on add to cart, I can see more accurate data, which shows me 47 add to cart and 2 purchases in the last 24 hours. And look at all these funny wall arts. Look at this Christmas toilet paper. Like this little funny otter. That's what you call them, right? It's cute and has a toilet paper roll. Or like this Highland cow. And this Highland cow sold 5 times already today. Or this frog on his phone. This is literally what I was doing at the beginning of this video. It's just fun. It's cool. It makes me wanna buy this. Even me, someone who would never think I need this in my bathroom, I kind of want one now. But let's talk about how can you create wall art relatively easy with AI. So what I like to do is I like to look for patterns and prove that something is working. And Etsy is really cool because Etsy shows you what things are already working. So usually I look for listings that are tagged with the word bestseller or popular now. So this one right here, for example, has a bestseller tag, which means that this has been selling very well for the last couple of weeks. And I can see that 30 people have this in a cart right now and 22 people have viewed it. And I like this design, it's very cute. It's just 3 ducklings in this watercolor style. It's very, very cute. So I already know that this type of design is working, right? The bathtub, the ducklings, something cute, and watercolor. So I will try to create something in the similar style. And this is how I do it. So I'm gonna take a screenshot of this, and I'm gonna use the screenshot of this image to teach AI the style of the image I'm looking for. And then I'm gonna go to the website called Creatorium AI, which is the tool I built to help me create digital products for Etsy. And by the way, if you guys wanna try it out, I have a discount code right here. You can use it, creatoriumai.com. But I'm gonna go to the AI image text generator, and I'm gonna upload that screenshot that I just took. And I'm gonna train AI to give me the prompt that will create something similar to the design like this. And we have 6 different AI models. I'm gonna try Nano Banana, which is the AI model from Google, because I wanna see if we can get this in that style. I feel like that AI is gonna be the best. Okay, so I got the prompt and now I can use this. And check this out. If I click on generate, I'm probably gonna get something very, very, very similar to whatever the original photo was, right? Which is okay. We kind of want that. Okay, see, this is what I'm talking about. We got something very, very close to what we are looking for. We can try different AIs. Let's try, for example, Dream 4, which is this Chinese AI that's very, very good, by the way. So let's try what this style is going to look like in the Sea Dream. Okay, this is fine, but I don't know, that's a bit too blurry. We can also try Flux, which is also pretty good. This one is a little bit too cartoonish. And let's try maybe Leonardo. I feel like Leonardo might be doing a good job as well. I kind of like this one, to be honest. I kind of like Leonardo. Let me know in the comments which one was your favorite so far. But this is still very similar to what the original one was, okay? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna click on Get Variants. And what's gonna happen is that AI is gonna generate 8 variants for me that will have the similar style and look and feel, but they will change the main object of this image. So in our case, the main objects are the ducklings, right? So we want to replace it with something new because we already know that like this scenery works, right? The bathroom, the bathtub, etc. But we want to give it like our own spin to it, right? We want to make it different, similar trend, similar style, but different. So that's why this tool with the Get Variants is very useful. So we're gonna stick with Leonardo. Right here, I can see that the variants were generated, and I can click on each individual variant to be generated, or I can generate all of them at once and see all of the variants that are generated. And this is what we're gonna do because I wanna see what all of them have looked like and feel like. So let's just give it a couple of seconds. So I accidentally clicked on the Flags AI model, my bad, but we're getting the results from the 8 AI models. And as you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4 were not generated, and usually when that happens is there was a word that was probably too sensitive. And since we are doing bathroom stuff, some AIs are just not comfortable with generating this type of images because, I don't know, they're just are programmed to be sensitive on this stuff. And again, it's bathroom, you know what I mean? It's like a sensitive topic. But look at the pictures we got. This one is very cute. This one is adorable, okay? I like this one a lot, okay? 3 kittens. Or this one, the penguins. This is perfect. This is like imagine like a bathroom for a little kid, and you have your little boy or little girl, and you try to decorate their bathroom, and you put this painting over there. I think it's awesome, man. Or like these hedgehogs, man. Like these are so cute. Or like this, even this one. Even this one is so cool, man. You know, well, let's try different. Let's go to Leonardo one more time and generate all of them. Let's see if even the ones that were not generated will generate in Leonardo. Maybe Flux is just too sensitive. Okay, so these are the kittens in the Leonardo, and they look even better than the ones in Flux. I don't know, I like this a lot, dude. I like those a lot. Okay, and we got 3 little bunnies. Look at them. They're so cute. And by the way, guys, we got the penguins again. Bro, I don't know, they're so adorable. Don't you guys think those are really cute? I think those are really, really cute, man. Now we got 3 robots. Okay, that's interesting choice. Then we got this one. Okay, this one's a little bit weird. I don't know if I like it. This one, this is more like a kitchen wall art, but hey, we can sell it as a kitchen wall art. You know what I mean? Then we get the hedgehogs. I like this one. This one is cute too, in a bowl. And then we got the 3 sailing boats again in a small bowl. I like this one too. I think this one is cool. So now since you have a picture, let's say you like this one a lot, I'm gonna download it. And since we are trying to sell it as a wall art, you wanted to sell it in a very high quality. Okay, so I have this tool built in called Image Upscaler. I can upload the image that I just created. So let's actually open the history, and it's gonna be here, and I can just select the one I'm looking for. So I'm looking for those 3 little cats. They should be right here. Here you go. So I'm gonna upscale it to like 4x. So what this is gonna do is gonna make the picture a little bit more crispy. So as you can see, this is like a little blurry, and this one is more crispy, right? So this is kind of the idea. It's also gonna increase the DPI of the image, even though most of the images already come out with the 300 DPI. That's how this is programmed. Sometimes you need to upscale it in order to get like a very good high quality. So we're gonna upscale the image so it's really, really sharp, really, really cool. I'm gonna show you the final product, what it looks like, okay? All right, we got the final product. Let's open it. And this is after upscaling, right? So the things are more sharp. So let me show you the one without upscaling and the one with upscaled version. The difference is very, very minimal, but you can see the size of these elements. This is smaller and this is bigger, right? And also this has sharper edges. If you zoom in, you can see that this is a little bit more sharper. This one has a little bit of more blur. I don't know if you can really see it. So this one is more sharp. This one has a little blur on it. So when this is gonna be uploaded to the Printify service, for example, this is gonna look better, okay? Or like if you're gonna sell this as a digital print, it's also gonna look better. So you wanna upscale these images because it just gives like this additional crisp to them, and they just look better that way. If you have any questions, guys, let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, drop a like. If you wanna try Criterion AI, I have a link for it right here in the description of this video, and here's the code. And I will see you guys next time. Adios, my friends. Bye-bye.